Hello, I'm Alaikia MK, and my technical seminar topic is Security at ATM using Image Processing under the guidance of H. Chidananda Sir. These are the table of contents. Beginning with the introduction, in the past, the main purpose of ATMs were to deliver cash in the form of banknotes and to debit a corresponding bank account. Modern ATMs are implemented with high security protection measures. They work under complex systems and networks to perform transactions. ATMs are becoming more complicated and they now serve numerous functions, thus becoming a high priority target for robbers and hackers. We need an advanced system to provide good securities at ATMs, which can be provided by using image processing. The main objective of this seminar is to demonstrate an ATM security model that would combine a physical access card, a PIN, and an electronic facial recognition. It encloses the information regarding the image processing, discussed one of the major application of image processing, biometrics. The area of the project is digital image processing. Digital image processing is the use of digital computer to process digital image through an algorithm. Methodology and achievement: locate a powerful open source facial recognition program that uses local features analysis and that is targeted at facial variations. Then we need to familiarize ourselves with the internal working of the program so that we can learn its strength and limitations. Simple testing of this program will also need to occur so that we could evaluate its effectiveness. Once a final program is chosen, we develop a simple ATM black box program. This is how an ATM machine actually works. The machine asks for a user ID, look up distortion. The distortion can be a smart card, acquire representation, distort representation, and checks whether the user ID matches with the biometric database. If yes, it approves transaction. If no, it rejects transaction. What really is data excavation? Several sample images will be taken of several individuals to be used as a test case. One each for account image and several each for live image, each of which would vary pose, lighting condition and expressions. What is input? It will take in a name and password and then look in a folder for an image that is associated with that name. It will then take an image from a separate folder of live images and then use the facial recognition program to generate a match level between the two. Face image classification. Finally, it will use the match level to decide whether or not to allow access, at which point it will terminate. Benefits to the society and organization. There are numerous benefits to the society, such as improved security, improved customer experience, cannot be forgotten or lost, reduced operational cost, take societal responsibility to reduce rising levels of crime that were associated, higher withdrawal and transaction limits, useful for senior citizens and rural people, limit the financial risk given that they were forced to take responsibilities for financial loss. What is the future scope? The future scope is smart ATMs are more than just a cash machine. They provide multiple services such as cash and check deposits, multi-currency and Bitcoin disbursement, bill payment and purchase of everything from a mobile airtime to cinema tickets, etc. Pre-staged withdrawal or money transfer at ATMs are also available. Conclusion: we thus develop an ATM model that is more reliable in providing security by using facial recognition software. By keeping the time elapsed in the verification process to a negligible amount, we even try to maintain the efficiency of this ATM system to get to a greater degree. Biometric as mean of identifying the authenticating account owners of the automated teller machine give the needed and much anticipated solution to the problem of illegal transactions. We have tried to proffer a solution to much dreaded issue of fraudulent transactions through automated teller machine by biometrics. that can be made possible only when the account holder is physically present. Thus, it eliminates cases of illegal transactions and the ATM points without the knowledge of authentic owner. Using a biometric feature for identification is strong and it's further fortified when another is used to authentication level. So these are the references. Thank you.